Alright, so we're gonna do some tile work today. So we're gonna drain this pool. As you can see right here, this small pool. We got a lot of tiles falling off. Let me show you guys. You see all those tiles right there. We're gonna repair them. And a bunch of tiles over there. And some on the other spots too. So first thing we're gonna do is drain the whole pool. So we're gonna start the process right now. Give you guys a closer look how the transfer pump works. It's literally in the name. It's just a stick where it transfers water from the pool, sucks it from the bottom, and up there, and it takes it out. That's how I drain the pool. Okay, so it's probably gonna take about an hour, and I'll check back with you guys then. All right, so here's all the tiles that we're gonna put back. A lot of them kept falling off. We're gonna do this big one right here. We get started because we're above water right now, and everything's pretty dry already. And we're gonna do some right here too, and we're also gonna do some right there. So we'll go ahead and get this started, keep you guys updated as I go. Right there. And then let's see how this turns out. took a lot right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and use some spatula. Even it out. Don't worry about the size, we're gonna fix that in a little bit. Before anything right now, I just even it out a little bit. Give it everywhere. Maybe I could add more. Alright, there it is. It's not the best work in the world, but I'm not a towel person by any means necessary. This is kind of like my first towel job, but this is what it looks like after using this silicone. So it worked out pretty well. It's not too bad. And then I've still got to do this one right here, and then whatever towels we have left, we'll work on this right here. Alright, so we finally finished everything. Look at all the towels. Keep in mind, I'm not a towel person, okay? This is my first towel job. So we did a few right there. And we did a whole bunch right here in this area, a whole bunch of them. And then earlier I wasn't able to find more towels, but today I found more. I did some right there. I found them right here when I stepped on them. So that's good. We did a lot right here, and I found a few pieces for this area, and we also did this. So let me know what you guys think. Keep in mind, I'm not a towel person, okay? This is my first towel job. So pool's drained. We're gonna come back tomorrow to check on it, and then hopefully Wednesday fill it up, okay? See how it goes.